Long time no see. What I have here is a 3-lever ace padlock. Same as the rest of the lever padlocks I've been doing. One full turn with the key and it's unlocked. Then one full turn counterclockwise and it's locked up again. The lever padlock tool I have isn't small enough to work in this one. So what I'm going to use on it is a couple of HPC letterboxed tension tools. They're used for applying tension, of course, on the little mailbox cheapy locks. So what I'm going to do is use the shortest one, insert it, and apply tension pivot off of the center post here. And you'll feel when you have it, it gets kind of springy. So right there, I've got it tensioned. Then I'm going to use the longer one to go in and lift the 3 levers one at a time, and you'll feel your tension bar move a little bit more, and a little more, and a little more, and there it is, picked open. So pretty easy to pick these. Said the bitting on it's not all that either. Hoping to do some more videos here. I got some locks on the way. I just received a curtain pick in the mail from Mac, and I'm supposed to have some curtain locks coming from Solomon with some other stuff to work on. Get some more videos going. So that's it. 3-lever ace lock. Thanks for watching.